In this video, I'll be explaining what Tapo Smart Actions are. Now, as you can see, I have a Tapo Smart plug with me, and I have already set it up on my phone. And this is the Tapo P100 model. And Smart Actions on the app can basically be found when you launch the Tapo app. You can either come here to the Smart tab, and you should be able to see all the recommended smart actions in form of shortcuts and automations, and they are grouped into shortcuts and automations separately, the ones that you've currently set on your own and the ones that have been recommended. So what are smart actions? Smart actions are basically actions, either shortcuts or automations, that you can set to assist you to automate certain functions of all your appliances by Tapo if you have more than one, and you can automate them to do anything that you set them to do. So you can also come to this app in the home section. For example, if I tap on my Tapo Smart plug, because it is the only device that I have, and under here you're going to see Smart Actions. So when you tap on Smart Actions, again it's going to bring you to this section. Now the first smart action that you can utilize are shortcuts. Now shortcuts are simple instructions to give to your devices to be able to perform functions for them. So here, as you can see here, there are some recommended shortcuts that you can use. So for example, there's this one, leave home, turn off all your Tapo devices with one simple tap. So this is a shortcut that you can set to all of your appliances. You can turn off all the appliances, all the lights, cameras, robot vacuums, and even lock the door. So you can add any of these shortcuts to your particular device, any device that you have, to be able to have that particular smart action take effect at the period of time that you've set. Now, for automations are basically smart actions that take effect when certain predestined conditions are met. Now, when you meet those particular conditions, as you can see, the automations are more complex than shortcuts, because automations require you to set certain parameters that when they are met, that particular effect or smart action that you chose is going to take effect. Now, for example, we have an automation for, let's say, the water leak. So when you tap on that and you have maybe a washer, you can set the effective time, and if a water leak is detected, it turns off all the devices, and it can also remind you with lights by giving you notifications on a smart hub or a certain Tapo device that you've set it, and it can also send you notifications. So as you can see, this is an automation is more detailed, and it is more suited to complex devices or complex instructions that you can give to your devices. Now, basically, that's what smart actions are. They are shortcuts or automations that you can set to give instructions to your devices to be able to perform certain functions. Now, I'll be making individual videos on how to create a shortcut and how to create an automation. So stay tuned for those videos, which you're going to see in the playlist that are linked down below. But basically, those are what Tapo Smart Actions are. And I hope this video was useful. If it was, leave a comment or a question down below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to be able to keep a lookout on those particular videos that I've just mentioned. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.